Hey everyone, welcome back to MZ Car Club. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and adventure with the 2025 Dodge Motorhome. This stunning vehicle is designed for those who crave the freedom of the open road without sacrificing comfort and style. Let's explore its interior design, exterior design, pricing, safety features, performance, and overall appeal. Interior design. The interior of the 2025 Dodge Motorhome is nothing short of spectacular. Step inside, and you're greeted by a modern yet cozy living space featuring premium leather upholstery, wood finish accents, and ambient LED lighting. The motorhome comes equipped with a full kitchenette, a spacious lounge area with a convertible sofa, a queen-size bed, and a high-tech bathroom. A massive touchscreen control system allows you to manage the lighting, temperature, and even multimedia options seamlessly. With ample storage and smart space utilization, this motorhome ensures you feel at home wherever you go. Exterior design. On the outside, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome exudes rugged elegance. The aerodynamic design, bold front grille, and sleek LED headlights give it a commanding road presence. Large tinted windows provide privacy while allowing natural light to flood the interior. The motorhome sits on sturdy 18-inch alloy wheels, offering both durability and style. With optional solar panels and roof-mounted storage, it's perfect for long adventures. Pricing. The base model starts at around $120,000, while fully loaded trims with premium upgrades can go up to $150,000. Considering the features and quality, it's a competitive price point in the luxury motorhome market. Safety features. Safety is a top priority for Dodge, and the 2025 motorhome doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The reinforced frame and multiple airbags ensure maximum safety for occupants during travel. Performance. Under the hood, the Dodge Motorhome features a robust V8 engine paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission. It delivers smooth handling and ample power for towing or tackling hilly terrains. The suspension system is specifically designed for comfort, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough roads. Despite its size, the motorhome offers impressive fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for long journeys. Overall, the 2025 Dodge Motorhome is a perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and performance. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this motorhome is built to meet all your needs. With its modern features, robust performance, and stylish design, it sets a new standard in the world of recreational vehicles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MZ Car Club for more detailed reviews and overviews. See you in the next one.